What's shaking in the world of space exploration? India had the Chandrayaan-3 mission where it successfully landed on the lunar surface in 2023. And now, who's vying to land in the South Polar region of the moon? The USA with NASA and Jeffrey Bezos. Blue Origin's system for NASA's Artemis program aims to land people on the South Polar region of the moon's surface by the second half of the 2020s. There's a contract called the Human Landing System with NASA to develop a lunar lander to transport astronauts to the moon's surface. Jeffrey Bezos is the founder and executive chairperson of Amazon and is one of the richest people in the world. Jeffrey Bezos also founded space tech company Blue Origin. He is someone who envisioned the future of civilization in space even as a teenager and about space hotels orbiting around the Earth. Blue Space was founded in 2000 as a spaceflight and aerospace manufacturing enterprise. In 2021, through one of its launch vehicles, New Shepard, Jeffrey Bezos flew to space. NASA's Artemis program is a couple of missions planned by the US Space Agency to return people to the moon and establish a sustainable presence there. Blue Moon is a project led by Blue Origin, which is a collection of spacecraft and equipment. And in October 2023, Blue Origin unveiled a mock-up of the cargo version of its Blue Moon lunar lander. The mock-up is named Pathfinder and it's designed as a demonstration mission. This is aimed at proving the viability of the tech required for lunar landings. Future versions of the Blue Moon lander would also be available for payload customers. Payload customers are groups that want to send their equipment or cargo into space on a spacecraft. This is said to have the capability to transport between 2,000 to 3,000 kgs of cargo to the lunar surface. And scientists have found evidence of water ice on the moon. Water could be separated into its components, liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen. These could be used as propellants for rockets or spacecraft on the moon and support sustainable lunar missions. The Blue Origin lander uses a special engine called BE-7 that runs on a mix of liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen. The lander could be filled up with these fuels from the moon, so there could be longer missions on the lunar surface. The Pathfinder is like a practice run for the lunar lander. They're checking the engine, the testing systems that use very cold and powerful fluids, and how the lander moves. They're making sure all the electronics work well. They're testing how the lander sends data back to Earth, and they want to be super precise with landing within about 100 meters. Blue Origin's unveiling also coincides with the advancements of Elon Musk's SpaceX, whose Starship rocket is scheduled to be used for future Artemis missions. However, the initial lunar landing for the Artemis program may not be conducted with Blue Origin's Blue Moon lander. The first human landings are anticipated to be carried out using SpaceX's Starship by around 2025. So, Blue Origin's Blue Moon landers are designed with the idea that in the future, ice could be used from the moon to make fuel for rockets. By using the ice from the moon, fuel could be created that's needed for spacecraft instead of having to bring it all the way from Earth. This could make future missions to the moon more self-sufficient and efficient. Blue Origin is said to have a $3.4 billion contract with NASA to make a lander for future moon missions, starting with Artemis 5 in 2029. Before sending astronauts, they would send cargo to the moon. How could this help humanity on Earth? Lunar ice fuel production could lead to advancements in tech when it comes to energy generation, storage and utilization. So, this could improve renewable energy systems and energy storage solutions. And as space exploration gets more advanced, there could be economic opportunities created that could create jobs and stimulate innovation. So, what is the future of space exploration? Can a sustainable presence on the moon be established?